I have to say, I am so cold, I absolutely want to die.
They're running. They are running.
Okay.
They are running.
Dude, good job. All the way across. Yeah. Wow. That piece of shit made it.
Dozens of minutes.
Look at these guys. Absolutely. That's the attitude. Come on, guys.
If you can't make it down the hill on its own, sled it down on your own.
Run that thing.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Looks like the Pink Daddy's the captain of that one.
Climb every mountain, ford every stream.
Good job, guys.
Right.
I'd say take a look at the slopes right now. These are probably the worst conditions.